England's post-16 technical education landscape is facing its biggest reform in decades. And it will affect all sectors, including engineering, manufacturing, and automotive. Navigating these changes might not always be easy, but as always, we're here to support you. We've been doing this for 145 years, and we know that through every reform, you need to have an eye on the future. A future that is bright. Staying ahead in the rapidly changing engineering, manufacturing and automotive industries requires innovation and adaptability. That's why our wraparound service is flexible and tailored to support your qualification and EPA delivery today and looking forward. As a charity and a responsible business, we invest to deliver impact that's measured. On our pathway to net zero, we are working with sectors, our suppliers and our customers to build a greener tomorrow together. That's good for learners, good for industry, good for the planet and good for you. Our engineering, manufacturing and automotive portfolio has been created by our experienced team of technical experts together with employers to meet the industry's ever-advancing needs. So, whether your learners are continuing in full-time education or moving into work, our exclusive Sector T levels and industry-recognised apprenticeships open doors to exciting opportunities and better career progression. And as our reformed qualifications roll out, we'll be with you all the way. Renowned for our excellent support and customer service, you can enjoy a smoother, well-planned journey of transition through the reform process. If you are looking for excellence, if you're wanting to make an impact, it feels good working with us.